Here have a sad news to you guys. I will have to delete the video about my sneeze video because I got the email from YouTube. They say sneeze video. Like this content is about sexual content. So I'm sorry about I cannot update any sneeze video anymore in the future, and I will have to delete the videos. But I will be making some different content in the future if you still want to stick around. Thanks everyone follow and subscribe me this long time, and I'm sorry about that. So see you next time. Bye bye. Hello， 我来翻译我刚刚上面说了什么。因为 YouTube 说我的打喷嚏的内容是有关撩拨性欲的内容，所以希望我可以把它删除。那近期我是被禁止盈利的状态，因为这个对于 YouTube 来说是有撩拨性欲的关系，所以我必须得把影片全部都清空，然后以后未来也不会再上传有关打喷嚏的影片。所以如果你真的喜欢我打喷嚏的影片的话，欢迎来看我的直播。那如果喜欢的话，可以继续追踪我。那如果未来有机会的话，也不要删除我哦，谢谢。